Okay, on 3, everybody say it.
1, 2, 3.
You didn't say it.
I don't know what we're saying.
Welcome to the Pack and Prep vlog. We are going to Florida for 3 reasons. For the ICU finals, the Cheerleading Worlds Championship, and then Disney World. Look at this countdown. 6 days till our hotel stay starts, but we actually leave the night before, so it's more like 5 days until we leave. Most of my stuff for this pack and prep is going to be done today and tomorrow because I work the rest of the week, so there's not really going to be time for the other things. But I like planning things out by lists or on Canva. I planned out our entire itinerary for this trip, which I will show in a minute. But first, let's start with my to-do list of things that need to be done before we leave on the trip. Clean my suitcase because something happened in there last time I used it and it was dirty. So I cleaned it with soap and water and now it's like brand new. I have to clean the closet. We did yesterday and the day before, we shampooed all the carpet in the entire house. We kind of started deep cleaning the house because we're having people stay here while we're gone to watch the children. We have to spray bug spray on the outside of the house, and then we want to go to Lowe's to buy ant traps. We have to charge our magic bands and update them. We have to wash 2 sets of bedding for the people that are staying at our house. I already ordered foundation. Where is it? I bought this foundation. I'm wearing it now to test it out. I ordered contacts this year because last year it was very annoying for me to have to switch between my prescription glasses and my sunglasses during this exact trip. So we're working smarter, not harder, so I can wear these, and if I need sunglasses, then I just put sunglasses on. I have to wash my makeup brushes and my makeup bag. It's crazy in there. And I have to get this. Everyone stay here. Stay there. I can cross this off the list as well. I had to finish bedazzling my hoodie. Look how amazing that looks. This took me a month, but I really only do it on the weekends. It was not as long as the other hoodie I bedazzled. That took me, how long do you think it took me? 3 months to bedazzle it. Those are the to-dos that have to be done before we leave, which is a whole separate thing from my packing list, which I don't have right now. But when I have it, we'll go over it and then we'll start packing. Another thing that's not on the list is I wanted to order sunglasses that were polarized. So I went on DHgate and I bought some sunglasses. Whoever this seller is really good. I got a box that they came in, a secondary box that was inside that box. And then it even had this card of, what is it? Authenticity? Authentication. Ethnicity. I don't have tortoiseshell glasses or brown at all. So I got some glasses. They're supposed to be polarized. I think they are slightly. And they're like tight on the head. Sometimes I get glasses and they're so loose that I like look down and they fall off. But these pass the test. So I'll be taking these, and actually they do add a nice tint. A nice tint. And I really like this little box they came in. 10 out of 10 to whoever the seller was. Let me explain to you the itinerary, okay? Thursday after work, we need to go to the airport. Our flight leaves at 7:20 p.m. It's overnight. We have 1 stop in California, and then we arrive in Orlando at like 6 something in the morning. From there, we're going to try to go to our hotel to at least drop off our bags. And then on the off chance that we could check in, it would be nice to go to our room and like freshen up, but we might not get that opportunity. So we can eat and then we'll have to head over to the finals for the ICU championship. Okay, I have my computer right here, so it has our itinerary, and that's what I'm looking at. Saturday, we're going to Universal. Sunday, we're going to the second day of the World's Championship. And then Monday, we're going to the finals of the World Championship, which is very exciting because out of all the times we've gone, I've never been there to watch the final performances and the award ceremonies. So this will be a first for everyone in the group. Tuesday, we're doing Disney, and we're going to start at Animal Kingdom and then hop over to Epcot. That's the plan, but plans could change. Wednesday, we're doing a chill day, maybe Resort Hop, maybe Disney Springs, I don't know, but that's gonna be the first day that we actually get to sleep in and rest, especially after going straight to the competition after our overnight flight, after working all day on Thursday. Thursday, we're going to Disney and we're starting at Hollywood Studios, and then the plan is to park hop to Magic Kingdom, I think. And then Friday, we're doing our last Disney day and we're starting at Magic Kingdom, and then we're probably gonna go to all 4 parks at some point during that day. Saturday, we fly back home. Here. Then I have my team watch list, because when you get the schedule for Worlds, first of all, they only came out with the actual schedule just for the first 2 days last week. So then when you look at that schedule, it's very confusing. There's like hundreds of teams. So I created a team watch list so that I could have all the teams that I'm interested in watching listed out, and then I'll go through the schedule and like highlight the ones that I want to watch and what time they're performing. But even then, the schedule could still change, and I do not have the schedule for part of Sunday, and we have absolutely no schedule for Monday yet, because you're waiting on the results from the previous days to see who's actually performing on those days. So I have my team watch list laid out, and then I have some watch list times for Sunday, since that schedule is out and hopefully it doesn't change. So I have the teams that I want to watch on Sunday and the times that they perform, as well as what arena they're performing in, because I think there's 4 arenas at the ESPN worldwide place. And I have Disney tips. I guess I can go through these for anyone who is interested. These are just all random. I don't think they're laid out in any specific order that makes sense. For the day that we're going to Animal Kingdom, I wrote, do the safari first thing in the morning, because you most likely will see more animals at that time. At least that's what I've heard from a couple people that I watch on YouTube. And then I put the Flight of Passage line tells a story, so it's not horrible to wait in if you don't have like a lightning lane for it or something. I don't know that for sure. I just saw someone say that in a video, because I've never been on that ride. Oh, I have unlimited soda refill stations listed out and where they are. So there's some in Hollywood Studios, Epcot, Animal Kingdom. I guess there's not any in Magic Kingdom, or I didn't write them down. Important rides to book. Okay, we've already booked our rides, because if you stay at a Disney hotel, you get to book your rides 7 days in advance if you buy any lightning lane passes. So I have like a list of the most popular rides and what time they usually sell out. I don't know if it's accurate or not, but that's just what the internet told me. So Magic Kingdom, Tiana's Bio Adventure, usually it says that the lightning lanes sell out at 9:09 a.m., which is hard to believe. Ratatouille Adventure sells out at 8:30, and then Frozen Ever After sells out at 9:30. Slinky Dog Dash sells out at 8:46, and the Navi River Journey sells out at 9:30. I don't know how accurate those are, but those are really popular rides. And then I wrote down Feathered Friends in Flight showtimes, because that's a show that we just caught the end of last year, so we really wanted to watch it this year, so I just have those listed out. My last thing on here says, in some stores you can check out on your phone by using the My Disney app instead of waiting in line. I've never done that before. Maybe we'll try it. The lightning lane booking can be very confusing. I remember last year was our first year using the new lightning lane system with the tiers and everything, and when we got in there, we had no idea that there was different tiers. We still did well, but now going in with a plan, it was so much easier. So this is what I had listed out. I listed each park with the tier rides so that I can see what rides are in each tier, because you can only pick 1 ride from tier 1, and then you can pick 2 or more from tier 2, and you can only choose 3 to start with. So I just laid this out for me, and then I highlighted the ones that were most important to us and that helped us. In the next page, which is the booking plan. We booked yesterday morning, and we were eligible to book at 7 in the morning Orlando time, which is 5 in the morning New Mexico time. So we woke up at 4:57, got on the My Disney app and bought our lightning lanes, and then we booked our first 3 rides for each day that we're going. This time, having a plan laid out, we booked everything in 10 minutes. So 3 days of lightning lane, and then we bought some individual single passes. I think that's what it's called. We bought a multi-pass for lightning lanes, which is all of this. And then the single pass is the rides that you have to pay for individually if you don't want to wait in their incredibly long lines. So we bought one for Tron, and we bought one for Guardians of the Galaxy, because Guardians is my favorite ride, so I always pay for that one, and then we've always paid for Tron instead of trying to wait in that line, because I just don't think it's worth it to wait in a line, especially because Tron is only like, that ride feels like it's 30 seconds long. And then my outfits. So I planned my outfits out for most of the days, I think. For Friday, on the plane, I'm going to wear something comfortable for Thursday night. But then when we get there Friday, I will change into my ICU outfit, which is this. Well, I think it's going to be this. But I want to do something where I could incorporate all the charms that I have on my Crocs, because that's the day that all the national teams will be there, so I wanted to have all their flags on my Crocs. I can't have all their flags, but I put a lot of flags on my Crocs, so I went with a simple outfit. So I'm not necessarily wearing the colors of any team, because I'm there to root for all the teams. That's like one of my favorite days. Universal, I actually guess I don't have an outfit planned, so we'll just see what happens that day. And then World's Day 2, this is my plan. This shirt and the jacket I ordered them from Shein, sent them to my auntie's address, and then she put these designs on them. This year they're doing an Avengers theme, and then I bedazzled the hoodie. And I ordered this skirt from Shein. Also, this whole outfit's from Shein. And then the last day of Worlds, I'm not sure. I think I'm just gonna wear shorts, a basic top, and then probably my TG jacket again, because that's the final day, and hopefully TG will win. Where are we starting? Oh, Animal Kingdom. So I think I'm gonna wear this outfit. I bought the shoes the other day, and then I needed the shirt to match with them because I didn't really have anything. So then I found the shirt on Shein, and I'll probably just wear it with these black shorts to keep it simple. Hopefully it looks cute on, but I don't have the will to try everything on right now. And then our chill day, I don't know what I'm wearing. I'll just put something random together. But for the day that we start at Hollywood Studios, I think this is what I'm gonna wear. Except I ordered the headband and it's not here yet. I'll wear my Converse. If the headband comes in, then I'll wear it. But if it doesn't, I won't be very sad. And then the last day, I'm not sure about this outfit, but it's a matching set also from Shein. And then I have this like sparkly button up and some Croc sandals. I don't know if it's gonna look well like all together, because I feel like the sparkly cover up is fancier than like the workout set and sandals. So I don't know, we'll see how that looks, but that's the plan. So those are kind of my loosely planned outfits that I have. Okay, now I can go into some other details about the trip that are special this year. So me and Sean have gone the last 2 years together to Worlds, but this year I decided that I've invited my family every year, but they've never come because they're also very into cheerleading. This is the first year that people are actually joining us. So my mom is coming, and then my Auntie Lisa is coming. My cousins are coming because Irene is a cheerleader and she's interested in seeing Worlds. So she's coming. I think she's bringing her friend, and then Aiden's coming also. This is very exciting for me because personally, I've always wanted to see Worlds like since forever. So this truly is a dream come true to actually be able to go every year and watch something live that I never thought I would be able to see. So now I get to share this experience with not only my family members, but also my mom. So I'm very excited for her to experience Worlds in person. They're just staying for the weekend to join us at Worlds, and then they're also going to Universal with us. And then after that, we're going to spend some time with Sean's family because they're coming as well. But that's going to be fun to have our families there for a little bit. Also, something very exciting this year that we've not done in the past is that the whole time during our trip, we are staying at a Disney resort hotel. We did that partially last year and we really loved it. So we booked Kidani Village for the whole time this time, because last year when we left Kidani Village to go to our other hotel, that was very sad. So we're very excited that we could stay there the whole time. That's enough talking. Let's start packing and prepping.
Welcome to Salty Spittoon. How tough are you?
How tough am I? How tough am I? I had a bowl of nails for breakfast this morning.
Yes, so?
Without any milk.
Right this way. Sorry to keep you waiting.
It's very dark now because it's 11. I brought my suitcase out here. It has all the outfits that I spoke about and some extras. So now I have to go through it to take out the things I know I don't want in there and then organize it. While we are organizing, we're going to be watching Temptation Island, of course. Right, Brizzy?